Hi guys, welcome back to Very Lost Fashion channel. Thanks for your love and support, and if you are new here, don't forget to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that as soon as I upload videos you will be notified. In today's video I'm going to show you how to make a kimono top with keyhole. Yes, it is very simple, and what we need is just the desired length of our top, we need our shoulder, and we need our waist measurement. So let's get started. So I folded my fabric. I folded it into two first, that is lengthwise, then I fold it again in width into two, and here is the length of my top, 27.75 inches. So the width depends on how long you want your sleeve to be. Altogether I am having 22 inches here, including the hemming allowance. So the first thing I'm going to mark is my shoulder measurement. Half of my shoulder measurement is 7.5 inches. The style that we are making, the shoulder will be on full, so we are not going to cut anything at the shoulder side. So from here, this is my shoulder length, half of my shoulder length. So from here to here will be my sleeve, which is almost 15 inches. So from the top, I'm going to mark my waistline. My waist is, from shoulder to waist is 16 inches. So I'm going to mark that and rule. Okay. So here is my waistline. So on the waist, my waist circumference is 31 inches. I'm going to add 5 inches to it. That makes it 36 inches. So divide by 4, I'm having 9 inches. So from the center here, I'll mark 9 inches. So from these 9 inches, I'm going to put 1.5 inches for the keyhole. You could do more than that depending on how wide you want your hole to be, but you wouldn't want it to be too wide. So from here, I'm going to mark 1.5 inches at both sides. So altogether I will be having 3 inches. So I'll now connect. I will join the 3 points together. So here will be where the keyhole will be. Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is to shape it down. You can actually use your hand or use your curved roller. Any of your curved roller can do the work, or you use your hand. Okay, let me use my hip cup to do that. Our top is ready. It's just for us to shape it down now. Then we cut out the keyhole. Okay, we are left with the neckline. Okay, let's compute the neckline. For the neckline, I'll be doing 4 by 4 inches. That is the width before and the neck will be 4. Now we connect it. Okay, so we are going to cut it out now. Then we'll cut out the keyhole. Cut out the keyhole, fold it, your fabric this way. Open it back. So you'll be able to cut it from here now. You can see that it's very easy to make. It's something you can make in less than 30 minutes. And it's beginner friendly. Our keyhole is ready and the neckline too is ready. So I'm going to fold the sides, then the neckline I usually prefer facing. So we are going to cut out the facing now. The way we cut, we fold this into 4. We are going to fold the material into 4 and cut out the facing. So here is the facing I will be using. I folded it the way we folded the fabric. You fold into 2 first, as you can see, this way. Then you fold again this way and place it on the neck and trace out the neck, ensuring that the 2 shoulders meet, both the facing and the fabric itself. So you place it this way. So I'm going to trace it out with my chalk. Or you can cut it directly. Decide how wide you want your facing to be. So I want mine to be 3 inches. And I'll mark 3 inches all around. I'll mark 3 inches all around. So our facing is ready. And if you open this, this is what you have by the time you open it. And our facing will be here, this way. So to finish up the hole, we are going to turn it to the right side of the fabric, this way. So you can see, you turn it. This is what you have by the time you turn it. I actually marked, I clipped the top, the shoulder area, so that by the time I want to join it, everything is equal. So this is the hole. So to finish it up, you can see that this is the right side, this is the right side of the. So if you open it this way, I'm I'm going to bring out the right side from this side of it. That's the right side. So you put your hand this way and bring it out, and this side of this part of it, the right side, you turn it this way and match it. Once you have done that, you are going to pin it around and sew. You follow it like that. So you are going to sew it. Once you pin it around, it will be very easy for you to sew. And I'm going to sew it with 1/4 of an inch. So by the time you turn it at the other side, you can see the way it is. Here, the area that we have pinned, you see the way it is. So I will sew it around that way, pin it around and sew it around. After sewing, I'm going to notch it and fix the facing, turn it and come and show you. So I've stitched the neckline and top stitch it with the facing, and here is the armhole, the keyhole. I've turned it as well. You can see how neat it is, and I've hemmed the side. So I've hemmed it down, I've folded it, as you can see, the sides and the down. So I'm going to wear it, put it on now and show you how it is. So here is the outcome of our kimono top. You can see how lovely it is. It's something you can make within 15 minutes. In fact, less than 15 minutes you are good to go. You can use it with your belt, and you can decide to wear it without belt. So thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like and comment. See you next time. Bye.